Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Power down the PC and unplug the power cable before you touch internal parts. Open the case using the correct screwdriver and place it on a stable surface. Ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap or by touching a metal case surface. Identify your 5-inch SATA SSD, a SATA data cable, and a SATA power connector from the PSU. Confirm which motherboard SATA port supports 6 Gbps to maximize sequential performance. Remove any drive bay adapter if your SSD mounts directly in a 5-inch slot. Align the SSD's SATA data and power connectors and gently push them into place. Attach the SATA data cable to the motherboard port and the SSD's data plug with firm, even pressure. Connect a SATA power cable from the PSU to the SSD power plug without twisting the connector. Mount a 5-inch SSD using 2 screws or a dedicated tray to secure it inside the bay. Route cables to avoid airflow obstruction and avoid forcing connectors, or sharply bending the SATA cable. Enter BIOS or UEFI to verify the SSD appears and set OSI mode for best performance. If you want to boot from the new drive, move your boot order or install the OS accordingly. Initialize and format the SSD in Windows Disk Management using GPT for drives over 2 TB and NTFS for general use. For cloning, use a reliable cloning tool and confirm partition alignment for optimal speeds. If the drive is unseen, try a different SATA port, cable, or power connector and recheck connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.